Hey guys, Aaron Williams here with MarineMax Jupiter on a brand new Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR. This is a 2026 model. As you can see, I'm standing here on their nice little swim deck platform. Just enhances the boat's space back here a lot. So one of the great features of this big sun pad lounger is you get a massive area underneath that you can utilize for storage. They do have a cabin option that you can utilize this whole back area for to give you a secondary cabin on the boat. So really versatile. We have a nice grill and outdoor kitchen back here. And a nice big table area. So you can have a great opposing seating area for when you want to anchor out at the sandbar after using your grill for all the fish that you catch on the boat. So you have a nice little lounge area. Moving to the helm, we are featuring the Simrad extra wide screen. So you're maximizing the amount of screen that you get here on the dash without having to have the dash super high. So you get great visibility with a full wraparound windshield. Really provides a lot of protection when you're out there, during rough weather or rainstorms, what have you. So we have a full joystick piloting system, a sleep liner bow thruster, and our digital Mercury controls here. As you can see right now, we are in skyhook mode. It is keeping us positioned right in the spot that we chose, with the Jupiter lighthouse right in the background. Absolutely gorgeous. All of our hard switches for our buttons are right here, and our battery switches are here. So super easy access, very simple boat, but it has everything that you would ever need on a operation standpoint. So this boat is equipped with a forward cabin and a full head. So we'll step down into the cabin and show you what we have down there. So coming down into the cabin space here, we have a nice little stair step down with storage behind it. We do have a full bathroom and shower in here with curtain. Very nice amenities, and we have a bed. Now this bed does convert up into a U-shaped seating area. We have a refrigerator, our AC controls, and storage throughout. You have a great skylight up here to let in a lot of natural light, and of course our LED lighting package as well. So the Cruisers Yachts 38 VTR does feature a slanted windshield. So for those rainy or really rough days, any water that gets on here will roll right down. We are equipped with a windshield wiper to really get that water away. And we do have a light bar up here. So this is gonna be a floodlight that really illuminates the entire front of the boat, and while you're docking and pulling into those dark areas. So stepping into the bow area here, we have a great big U-shaped seating area. We have a table insert and a Yeti cooler, so you can have a nice little picnic up here. You're not far away from your drinks. And we do have access on either side of the boat. So you can step over to port or starboard to get to the back of the boat. And we have a stereo control here. So once you're up here and you're hanging out and lounging, you don't have to leave this area. You can sit up here and enjoy it. This boat is equipped with a full front stationary sunshade. So you have 4 poles and a mesh top that go over it to really protect you on those really hot days out here.